Cherry and vanilla are just one of those flavor combinations that go really well. Are hand pies just empanadas? I'm not really sure. Yeah, right? You need a couple handfuls of cherries, some vanilla, salt, and dates. These cherries were a little bit on the sour side, so I wanted to sweeten it up. Reduce this down and mash it until almost all the liquid is gone. Once that happens, I added a little bit of tapioca flour and removed it from the flame to help thicken it. I'm gonna let that cool while I prep the dough. Cassava flour, salt, coconut oil, and water. I should have added a little bit more water. You can see that this dough is actually a little crumbly. I was just kind of lazy to stop the recording over. I made it work, but you'll see it's just a little bit more difficult to work with. My problem is I'm an overstuffer. I guess it's not the worst problem to have. So the second one, I actually wet my hands and re-kneaded the dough. And you can see that this is a much better texture. So I cooked it, flipped it, and you can kind of hear the crisp. Let me open it up for you. Flaky, crispy on the outside, warm and gooey on the inside. I should have made some ice cream on the side. And if you want other sugar-free or gluten-free recipes, check out my page.